Okay, this is a quick look at how we can actually create a system restore point on a laptop. Now, the idea of a system restore point is it will allow you to roll back your laptop to an earlier time. So, for example, if you've loaded some software or you've been infected by a virus, then you can potentially just reset your machine to an earlier point in time when everything was working correctly. And then you can actually sort of hopefully clean the system a lot easier. Now, in order to be able to do this, there's a few steps that we need to take. So the first thing is to note that it will actually make a difference between which system you're actually working. So for example, if you're using Windows 7 or Vista or something like that, then all you would do is to open a system by clicking on the Start button, right-clicking on Computer, and then click Properties. Down the left-hand side, then you'll then see System Protection, and then if you need to actually prompt for a password or whatever, then click on it to confirm that. In the System Protection tab, you can click on Create. In the System Protection dialog box, type a description and you can click Create again. So that would actually create you a system restore. Now again, if you're using XP, then XP would do it in a very similar method. So to set up a restore point in XP, you would close any programs that are open and then it's Start, All Programs, Accessories, System Tools, System Restore. And again, that would actually then take you through the step-by-step process in order to be able to create a restore point. Now I'm using Windows 8, so therefore the way that I actually get to the control panel system, security and system, is slightly different. But effectively, despite the fact that Windows has changed a lot of the front end stuff, when you actually get into back end, there's not a great deal different. So here I would click onto System Protection, and then the System Properties box will actually crop up. And this will actually allow me to see things such as my computer name, the hardware, one or two advanced bits and pieces. But on the System Protection tab, which is where I want to get to, then down here I could click on Create to create a restore point. So I click on Create and it asks me then to give me a name for what I want to call this. Okay, so this is November, so I'm going to call it November because I wouldn't generally do more than one, but I'll call it November 2013, and then I can click on Create and it's now creating a restore point. Now again, that's just going to take a little while to go through because I've got a fairly hefty drive on this one, but effectively what it's doing is it's going to create a point so that if I was to install something else this afternoon and my machine crashed, I could actually go back to this point in time and that would then work. Okay then, so there we've got it. That's how to create a system restore point on a laptop. Hope it helps. Cheers, bye.